Yeah, I think we can get this budget meeting over pretty darn quick. What the?
As the commission is aware, we have been put in a real budget crunch because of the state legislators messing with the property taxes.
Okay, how does that explain this?
Oh, yeah. Well, following the commission direction, we have sold off all of the items in the commission chambers on eBay.
I like eBay.
Yeah. Commission direction? What the heck?
Yes, the last commission meeting, you, the commission, passed this direction under the consent agenda. Staff had recommended putting everything in the chambers up for auction on eBay because this room is used the least of any in City Hall. Nothing really happens here.
Well, I can't argue with that. How are we gonna have this meeting?
We have brought in some pillows and lap desks for you to work from.
The coffee pots are all gone. Ugh! And the snacks too. Oh no.
Pull it together, man. We can get through this.
We will have snacks and some cartons of milk in here for the next meeting. We were able to come up with some extra money in the budget.
Really? Where did that come from?
Well, while we were putting the items on eBay, we saw some other people auction off advertising space, and we thought we'd give it a try.
I'm not sure I like the sound of this.
From now on, you need to refer to the commission chambers as the Appliance Direct Commission Chambers. If you didn't buy direct, you paid too much.
Same-day delivery!
Oh my god!
Get 'em, taxes!